Welcome. See this second order differential equation. This sum here auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equals to 0. That is m equals to plus minus I. M square equals to minus 1, so m equals to plus minus I. Here the complementary function will be a cos x plus b sin x. This you are knowing. Now, for the particular integral, see the method carefully. For particular integral, what we are doing is 1 by d square plus 1 sin x. Now see, as we are usually doing, f, in this case f minus a square. If we are taking minus a square, sin ax means sin 1x. So minus 1 square, that will be minus 1. Remember, it is not minus 1 whole square, it will be minus 1 square. That is minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. So we cannot apply that method. F minus a square we cannot apply. So we will apply a different method. See it carefully. Let us assume y equals to 1 by d square plus 1 cos x and z equals to 1 by d square plus 1 sin x. So what we can write now, y plus iz equals to this one plus I into this one, taking 1 by d square plus 1 common. What we can write, cos x plus I sin x. As you are knowing, this one we can write as 1 by d square plus 1 e to the power ix. We can consider it as 1 by d square plus 1 e to the power ix into 1. Then we can write it as e to the power ix into 1 by d plus I whole square plus 1 of 1. Okay, this is equals to, I am showing it here, e to the power ix, it will be e to the power ix 1 by d square plus 2id plus I square, that is minus 1 plus 1. This one of 1. This one we can write as e to the power ix. Now, if we are taking two id common, 1 by 2id, then what we are getting? D square by 2id plus 1 this of 1. Now this can be written as e to the power ix 1 by 2id. This will dd will cut d by 2i. We can say 1 plus d by 2i whole to the power minus 1 this of 1. Now this one, see this technique carefully. E to the power ix 1 by 2id. Now if we are expanding this one, you are knowing it's a binomial theorem of negative integral integers. It will be an infinite series 1 minus d by 2i plus d square etc. It will come continuously coming higher power of 1, a higher power of d. But as we are knowing, derivative of 1 itself is 0, so higher power will also be 0, so no need of all these things. So e to the power ix 1 by 2i, this one as a derivative of any power, but d of 1 is 0, d square will also be 0, so we can write it 1 by d of 1. You are knowing 1 by d of 1 means that is we have to find a function whose derivative is 1. So this one is becoming e to the power ix into x by 2i multiplying by I, it will be I x e to the power ix. Here it will be I square is minus 1, so by 2. And there will be a minus, I am putting the minus here, plus I sin x. This one by multiplying, what we can write? Minus half x I cos x, then I into I will be I square, so minus 1 plus half x sin x. This one we can rewrite as keeping this one in this side, half x sin x minus I into half x cos x. Now integrating, equating the imaginary part, because our y plus iz, that is z equals to minus half x cos x. So the general solution is a cos x plus b sin x minus half x cos x. The general solution will be a cos x plus b sin x minus half x